Beginning Latin, Lessons 4 and 5 by John Edmund Bars, read for the LibriVox Language Learning Collection, Volume 4. This is a LibriVox recording. All LibriVox recordings are in the public domain. For more information or to volunteer, please visit LibriVox.org. Recording by Nicholas James Bridgewater. Lesson 4. The Genitive. 34. Subject omitted. When the subject of a verb is a personal pronoun, he, she, it, they, the subject is generally omitted in Latin, unless for the sake of emphasis. By reference to the footnotes to 31, it will be seen that the termination t is equivalent to the singular pronoun he, she, it, and nt to the plural they. Thus, habet means he has, she has, or it has, according to the rest of the sentence. Similarly, habent means they have. 35. Review exercise. All the words of this exercise have been given in vocabularies 2 and 3. 1. He has many friends. 2. They have broad swords. 3. She sees many Romans. 4. Few towns have many gates. 5. They have few gates and small ditches. 36. Genitive. This is the name given to that case in Latin which corresponds to the possessive case in English, and also to the objective with of. The endings are as follows. Declension 1. Singular, I. Plural, arum. Declension 2. Note, masculine and neuter nouns in declension 2 end alike in the genitive. Endnote. Singular, e. Plural, aurum. 37. Exercise. Write the nominative, genitive, and accusative, singular and plural, of filia, daughter, numerus, number, telum, missile. 38. Exercise. Copy and complete the Latin words in the following phrases. Words which have already occurred are not given, and must be supplied. 1. A number of small missiles, tel, second neuter. 2. A great supply, kopi, 1, of grain, frument, second neuter. 3. Lack, inopi, of money, pecuni, both 1. 4. Of a number of large provinces, provinci, 1. 5. The daughters of many friends. 39. Exercise. Write in Latin after memorizing vocabulary 4. 1. Is he not besieging? Note, see footnote 2 to 31, endnote. The walls of the town. 2. They see the lieutenant's supply of grain. 3. Have the towns a great number of gates? 4. They see the Romans' lack of missiles. 5. The Roman province has a large supply of money. 40. Rule 4. A noun used to limit or modify another noun is in the genitive case when the two nouns do not denote the same thing. Lesson 5. Reading lesson. Minerva. Minerva estea. Footnote, est is and sunt are followed by the nominative in Latin as in English. See lesson 12 if fuller treatment is desired at this stage. End footnote. Statua est Minerva, Victoria estea. Minerva et Victoria sunt deae. Graecia est terra, Attica est terra. Graecia et Attica sunt terrae. Minerva habet Galliam. Minerva habet Galliam et hastam. Minerva portat Victoriam. Victoria habit coronam et alas. Statua terram ornat, statuae et arae terram ornant. Puella deas laudat, puella pia rosas portat, puella aram marmoriam ornat, flamma splendida deam delectat, coronae marmoriae aram albam ornant. Minerva est dea magna, hasta longa et Gallia aurea deam magnam ornant. Terra statuas albas et marmoreas aras portat. Unda est valida, undae purae oram altam pulsant. Herbae et olivae terram ornant. Oliva est iucunda, statuae marmoreae sunt pretiosae, Galeae aureae sunt splendidae. Attica non magna terra est, sed clara. End of Beginning Latin, Lessons 4 and 5, by John Edmund Bars. Recording by Nicholas James Bridgewater. Recorded in Oxford, England.